We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hi friend, my name is Tapan Patel, Assistant Professor of Sri Swaminarayan Pharmacy College. Today we discuss about the Cannizzaro cross-Cannizzaro reaction, also aldol, cross-aldol, benzoin and Perkin condensations. Okay, let's start with the Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reactions. The, dis- the disproportionate reactions of aldehyde without alpha hydrogen in the presence of strong base to furnish alcohol and a carboxylic acid is called the Cannizzaro reactions. It means it no need to the alpha hydrogen in the reaction in the molecules, no need the alpha hydrogens. They, uh, it is mostly useful for the preparations of the alcohol and carboxylic acid. One molecule of aldehyde is reduced to the corresponding alcohol while the second one is oxidized to carboxylic acid. Yeah, this is the thermal formula of the reaction. Or you can take the CS3 and also the H. Okay. Next is the applicability of reaction in organic synthesis is limited as the yield is not more than 50% either acid or alcohol form. Means the Cannizzaro reactions only they produce the 50% of the product. But in case of the aldehyde that do have the hydrogen atom, the aldol condensations react the take place preferentially. Means if it is the alpha hydrogen are present, the Cannizzaro reactions की जगह वो aldol condensations prefer करेगा. Okay, here the one another examples are given. Alpha 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 trihaloaldehyde undergoes the haloform reaction with strongly alkaline medium. Example is the chlorol will give the chloroform in the presence of the alkali. That's a technical issue. Now the mechanism behind on this. The Cannizzaro reaction is initiated by the nucleophilic attack of hydroxide ion on the carbonyl carbon of the aldehyde molecules by giving the hydrated anion, which can be further deprotonated to give the dianion in strongly alkaline medium. Note that in the second step, the hydroxide behave as a base. The first step is the nucleophilic attack. Where is the attack? With the carbonyl carbon of the aldehyde molecules. Okay. After the second reactions are occurs, they deprotonated and gives the 2 means dianion in a strongly alkaline medium. Now, hydrated ion H minus is transferred either from monoionic species or dianionic species onto carbonyl carbon of another aldehyde molecules. means it has the two aldehyde molecules, one hydrated ion transfer from the monoionic species or diionic species on the carbonyl carbon of the another aldehyde molecule. The strong electron donating effect of OS minus group is facilitate the hydride transfers and drive the reactions further. This is the rate determining stop of the reactions. Okay. Here also the donating effects of the O minus group facilitate the hydride transfer. Okay. You can see in the reactions. Here is the one another molecules of the aldehyde, and here the dianion. Now it gives the two products. One is the alcohol and one is the carboxylic acid. You can see in the reaction, if we are taking the mono species of the hydride ion, and another reaction is the we are taking the diionic species. When monoionic species are reacted with the acetaldehyde and diionic species reacted with the acetaldehyde, means aldehyde. You can take the acetaldehyde formaldehyde. Now, first one molecule is oxidized to carboxylic acid and one another are reduced to alcohol. Means here the two uh, reactions are occurred. One is the oxidations and one is the reduction. If it is the oxidations are occurred, that the carboxylic acid is produced. If it is the reductions are occurred, that the alcohol is the produced. The Cannizzaro reaction takes place very slowly when the electron donating group are present, and but the reactions are faster when the electron withdrawing group are the present. Means if it is the electron donating group are present, the reaction is the slow. If it is the electron withdrawing group are present, the reaction is the fast. That is the vice versa formula. Now some reactions are given here. First is the formaldehyde is this proportions to formic acids and methyl alcohol in strongly alkaline medium. Okay. Now the formaldehyde reactions with the alkali like the NaOH, which give the sodium acetate and methanol. Then benzaldehyde can be converted into the benzoic acid and benzyl alcohol. Furfural gives the furoic acids and furfural alcohol in the presence of strong alkali medium. Here we are taking the 33% NaOH. This is the Cannizzaro reactions. Now we discuss about the cross Cannizzaro reactions. In the cross Cannizzaro reactions, difference is that is the here we are taking the different molecules, not the same molecules. In Cannizzaro reactions, we are taking the same molecules, and here we are taking the different molecule. One is the benzaldehyde we are taking here, and also the formaldehyde we are taking here. Okay. Then, when the mixtures of the formaldehyde and the benzaldehyde with the strong base, the latter is preferentially reduced to alcohol, while the formaldehyde is oxidized to formic acid. Means benzaldehyde follow the oxidase, follow the reductions reactions, and formaldehyde is follow the oxidations reactions. Now, benzyl alcohol and formic acids is obtained when the mixtures of benzaldehyde and formaldehyde is treated with the alkali. Here, the reason may be the initial nucleophilic additions of hydride anion is faster on formaldehyde, as there are no electron donating group on it. Formaldehyde के पास इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप नहीं है, तो वो फास्टर मूव करेगा. The preferentially oxidations of formaldehyde is cross Cannizzaro may be utilized in quantitative reductions of the aldehyde के लिए ये use हो सकता है quantitative reductions. Now another we can discuss about the intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. Alpha ketoaldehyde can be converted into the alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid by intermolecular Cannizzaro reaction. Here we are taking the example of phenyl glycosol undergo intermolecular Cannizzaro reactions by giving Mendelic acid, also called the alpha hydroxy phenyl acetic acid, also called 2-hydroxy 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. There are 2 IPAs in image there. You can say the reaction. Here one comments are there. Why does the chloral not undergo the Cannizzaro reactions? Chloral क्यों नहीं Cannizzaro reactions follow करता है? The chloral formula are there. CCl3CHO undergo haloform reaction instead of the Cannizzaro reaction to give the chloroform and format anion since CCl3 minus group is good living group rather than the hydride ion. क्लोरोफॉर्म में क्या है कि जो CCl3 है ना वो गुड लिविंग ग्रुप है, सो वो उसकी वजह से हाइड्राइड आयन के कंपेयर में CCl3 गुड लिविंग ग्रुप है, तो उसकी वजह से वो Cannizzaro रिएक्शन फॉलो करते हैं. Here some MCQs are related with the Cannizzaro and cross Cannizzaro reaction. In the Cannizzaro reactions considered in following statement. Here 3 statements are given. Okay. In the Cannizzaro reactions considered in the following statements 1, 2 and 3. First statement is 2 molecules of formaldehyde reacts with NaOH to form methanol and acetic acid. Okay, sodium acetate. The transfer of hydride ion to carbonyl group, second statement. And third statement is the attack of OH minus is at carbonyl group. Okay, 3 statement है. Okay, तीनों आर करेक्ट है. फॉर्माल्डिहाइड मिथेनॉल और फॉर्मिक एसिड ही बनाएगा. Then second one carbonyl group hydride ion to transport the hydride ion है वो carbonyl group में ही ट्रांसफर होगा और OH माइनस वो भी carbonyl group पे ही अटैक करेगा. दोनों स्टेटमेंट आर करेक्ट है. तो देखिए फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड आर करेक्ट एंड सेकंड इज नॉट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ वन. फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड आर करेक्ट है. सेकंड इज एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ वन. देखिए सेकंड एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ वन का एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है. No, sorry, वो explanations है. Second is not explanations of the one. Okay. Then B है. First is the correct and second is incorrect. Second, first and second are correct and third is the explanations of one. And D. Second and third are incorrect. You can see in a mechanism that you can easily understand about the reaction. Next is the which among the following will undergo the Cannizzaro reaction? अल्फा हाइड्रोजन नहीं है वो Cannizzaro रिएक्शन फॉलो करेगा. ओके, तो एसिटाल्डिहाइड के पास है, फिनाइल एसिटाइल के पास होगा, फॉर्माल्डिहाइड के पास अल्फा हाइड्रोजन नहीं होगा, एसीटोन के पास होगा. फॉर्माल्डिहाइड रिएक्शन वो Cannizzaro रिएक्शन फॉलो करेगा. फॉर्माल्डिहाइड undergo Cannizzaro reaction in the presence of concentrated NaOH solution to form. Cannizzaro reaction formaldehyde करेगा तो क्या बनेगा वो हमने देख लिया, मिथेनॉल और सोडियम फॉर्मेट बनेगा. Cannizzaro reaction is not given by. कौन नहीं दे सकता Cannizzaro reaction? फॉर्माल्डिहाइड दे सकता है, बेंजल्डिहाइड दे सकता है, ट्राइमिथाइल एसिटाइल दे सकता है, एसिटाल्डिहाइड नहीं दे सकता. नेक्स्ट, the incorrect statement regarding Cannizzaro reactions. The rate determining step involves intermolecular transfer of hydride ion. Second, in the presence of concentrated base, the order with respect to aldehyde is 2. Okay, means it's follow the second order. Base will also the follow the second order reaction. 100% oxidations of benzaldehyde to benzoic acid is possible. Cannizzaro reactions only produce the 50% of product. So that this statement is the wrong. So the right answer is 3. Now, aldol condensations. Aldol condensation occurs in aldehyde having alpha hydrogen with a dilute base to give beta hydroxyaldehyde called the aldols. This reaction is most commonly known as aldol condensation. यहाँ पे अल्फा हाइड्रोजन होना जरूरी है. If it is the alpha hydrogen is present with the dilute base, it produces the beta hydroxyaldehyde. Okay? That is called we can call as known as we can call as aldol condensation. If the condensation reactions occur between two different carbonyl compounds, that is the cross aldol condensation. Aldol condensations can be defined as organic reaction which enolate ion react with the carbonyl compound to form hydroxyketone or beta hydroxyaldehyde, followed by dehydration to give the conjugated anion. Aldol condensations play a vital role in organic synthesis, creating a path from carbon-carbon bond. Here, general reactions are given, also the condensations are also given. Both in aldehyde, also the ketone, the reactions are both reactions are occur in condensations. Here we taking the acetone example, CH3 C double bond O CH3. Now it reacted with the base NaOH and it formed the beta hydroxyketone. This is the aldol reactions. Now the aldol condensations. Now further it reacted with the base and it formed the alpha beta unsaturated ketone. It also called the anion molecule. This is called the condensation. Now the mechanism behind one this. Now, first of all, taking the CH3CHO acetaldehyde example. First step is the in reverse order. The hydroxide ion is deprotonate the aldehyde. Okay. Now that first step is the deprotonations of the aldehyde. Then second step. Here enolate ion 1. It's added to unreacted aldehyde. And first step 2 enolate ion are formed. Okay. One is the H2O and one is the CH2CHO. Now one enolate ion 1, the CH2CHO, added to the another aldehyde and it form the intermediate state that called the alkoxide. Step 3, alkoxide ion 2 is protonated by water. Now water are added and deprotonated converted into the protonated form. Now step number 4. A small amount of aldol is converted into the enolate ion by hydroxide ion. Okay. Now fourth step is converted into the enolate ion, and then enolate ion is loses the hydroxide ion and it form the aldol products. alpha beta unsaturated ketone, also aldehyde. Here aldehyde. So the difference between the Cannizzaro reactions and aldol condensations are there. In aldol condensations, alpha hydrogen atom must be required. In Cannizzaro reaction, there is no requirement of the alpha hydroxy atom. Now, cross aldol condensations. Here, two different molecules of the aldehyde and ketone combine to form the beta hydroxyaldehyde or also the beta hydroxy ketone. That is called the cross aldol condensation. Step involved in a cross aldol condensation. The enolate ion is actual nucleophilic reagent. Carbanion is the nucleophilic reagent. The reagent is breakdown to follow the alpha carbon of the donor attach itself to the carbonyl carbon of acceptor. Okay. Now the alpha carbon the donor attach itself to the carbonyl carbon of the acceptor. Is attached to that. Now here acceptors and donors are there. Acceptors and donors. Carbonyl group in aldol reaction. Importance of carbonyl group. The carbonyl group play two important roles in these reactions. First is it provides the site for nucleophilic attack by the enolate ion. And second one is that it makes the alpha hydrogen sufficiently acidic to enable the formations of reasonable concentrations of enolate ion. Okay, so it provides the site to attack the nucleophilic attack के लिए वो site provide करेगा. And also alpha hydrogen को acidic to enable the formation of reasonable concentration of enolate ion. Here one important note is that there must be alpha hydrogen in order to undergo aldol condensations. Without alpha hydrogen, the only possible reaction is the Cannizzaro reactions. We already discussed about that. If both carbonyl compounds have alpha hydrogen, then the donor and acceptor could be controlled. Okay. If the one carbonyl compound that does not have alpha hydrogen is chosen, it can only act as a acceptor. Then, but adding the donor to dilute solution of acceptor, we can control the reactions to give only one product. If it is two alpha hydrogens present, तो हम क्या चूज करेंगे? Okay. If one carbonyl carbon that does not have alpha hydrogen is chosen, it only acts as acceptor. Then, but adding the donor to dilute the solution of the acceptor में हम जो है उसमें solution add करेंगे dilute solution का donor का, so we can control the reaction to give only one product. तो one product बनाने में success रहेगी. Now the cross aldol condensation. Here benzaldehyde and acetaldehyde. Two examples are given in the presence of NaOH. बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी प्रोडक्ट मिलेगी, उसके बाद अल्फा बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी एल्डिहाइड मिलेगा. Next mechanism behind all this. First step is deprotonations and formations of nucleophile. Okay, nucleophile prepare करना है. Then second is attack by nucleophile, formations of alkoxide ion prepare करना है. Nucleophile का attack होगा और alkoxide ion. Second step के अंदर you can see easily this. Then third step is hydrolysis and formations of aldol type product. Aldol type of product मिलेगा आपको. And finally step is intramolecular dehydration. इसमें से H2 रिमूव हो जाएगा and final product मिलेगा cinnamaldehyde. Okay, so cross aldol condensations, this is also the used for the preparations of the cinnamaldehyde. Now the applications of cross aldol condensations. Applications क्या है? तो one तो ये cinnamaldehyde बनाने के लिए भी वो यूज हो सकता है. Then the aldol condensation is very useful preparations of large molecule from simple starting material. Okay, simple starting material हम बेंजाल्डिहाइड, फॉर्मल्डिहाइड वो ले लिए, सॉरी एसिटाल्डिहाइड ले लिया, उसमें से हमने लार्ज बड़ा कंपाउंड बनाया सिनेमाल्डिहाइड. In biosynthesis, where large molecules are product, condensation reactions provide only the reasonable room. Since all of starting material are small molecule containing only 2 or 3 carbon, small carbon होगा तो भी हम biosynthesis के जरिए बहुत बड़ा प्रोडक्ट बना सकते हैं. 2 or 3 carbon containing वजह तो भी. In synthesis of insect repliants such as 2-ethyl 3-hydroxyhexanal, उसमें भी क्रॉस aldol condensations का यूज होता है. Next condensation is the benzoin condensation. Okay, the benzoin reaction is useful for joining two carbonyl group together, usually cyanide as a catalyst, to make new alpha hydroxy carbonyl species which can be reduced give 1,2-di. Means it is help to the joining the two carbonyl group, usually using cyanide. Cyanide हम catalyze की तरह यूज करेंगे उसको to make a new alpha hydroxy carbonyl species which can be reduced to 1,2-di जैसी प्रोडक्ट हमको मिलेंगी. The reactions work with some aromatic aldehyde and also alpha ketoaldehyde. Aromatic aldehyde के साथ भी रिएक्शन हो सकती है और अल्फा कीटोएल्डिहाइड के साथ भी. यहाँ पर लायोक्सेल एग्जांपल दिया है. Reaction of benzaldehyde in the presence of source of cyanide KCN is the useful example. This reaction is reversible reactions are there. The example are here benzaldehyde, two molecules here we are taking benzaldehyde. Now the mechanism behind on this. Attack of the cyanide ion. Then proton septations are also. Intermolecular states are formed. Then another proton septations are there again. Then alkoxide form are there are formed, and finally the CN are removed from this, and the products will be obtained. Now the first step is the addition of cyanide ion into the aldehyde to generate the alkoxide ion. बनाने के लिए पहले ये alkoxide ion prepare हो गया, cyanide ion का attack to alkoxide ion prepare हो गया. First step. Second step, this undergo 1,2 hydrogen shift, which is either one single step or second step of protonations or deprotonations. Sequence भी एक step पे भी हो सकता है, 2 step पे हो सकता है. जो 2 step है उसमें protonations भी हो सकता है, deprotonations की sequence भी हो सकती है. To generate the anion aldehyde which can be added to the another molecules of the aldehyde. We are taking the two molecules of the aldehyde. Okay, one molecules are one CNR attached to the one molecules, and another step is the another alkoxide ion are attached to the second molecules of the aldehyde. Step 3, the alkoxide is generated, then undergo another proton shift. Same step ये alkoxide ion वाला another step है. And last step is to eliminate the cyanide to regenerate the catalyst. बराबर है. और जो हमने cyanide अटैक किया था वो एलिमिनेशन हो जाएगा उसका, और उसका भी फिर से हम रीजनरेट कैटेलाइट करके यूज कर सकते हैं. तो फोर्थ स्टेप में उसकी मैकेनिज्म है, इसीलिए नेक्स्ट फाइनल Perkin condensation. Perkin reaction mechanism include the reaction between aromatic aldehyde and aliphatic acid anhydride and the alkali salt of the acid to give the cinnamic acid derivative. मोस्टली पर्किंग सिनामिक एसिड डेरिवेटिव बनाने के लिए यूज होता है. उसके अंदर हम एरोमेटिक एल्डिहाइड लेते हैं, एलिफेटिक एसिड एनहाइड्राइड लेते हैं और अल्कलाइल सॉल्ट लेते हैं. इन तीनों के बीच रिएक्शंस होके हमको फाइनली सिनेमिक एसिड डेरिवेटिव्स मिलता है. यहाँ पे एग्जांपल लिया है हमने. द पर्किंग रिएक्शन गिव alpha beta unsaturated aromatic acid via the aldol condensation of aromatic aldehyde and acid anhydride. एरोमेटिक aldehyde और एसिड एनहाइड्राइड के हम aldol condensations भी यहाँ पे फॉलो करते हैं. उसके बाद हमको प्रोडक्ट्स मिलती है. द alkali salt of the acid is also present. This alkali salt as the base catalyst. यहाँ पे बेस कैटेलाइज यूज करेंगे हम. अदर बेस कैन बी यूज इंस्टेड ऑफ अल्कली सॉर्ट ऑफ एसिड इन द पर्किंग रिएजेंट. यहाँ पे एग्जांपल दिया है, एरोमेटिक एल्डिहाइड ले सकते हैं, कोई भी बेंजाल्डिहाइड यहाँ पे ले लिया. यहाँ पे दूसरा है एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड ले सकते हैं. यहाँ पे CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड O CH3 sorry CH3 C double bond O CH3. यहाँ पे 3 स्टेप मैकेनिज्म होती है. फर्स्ट स्टेप कैन सी एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड attack of the nucleophile, then it converted into the alkoxide ion. Then alkoxide ion are reacted with the second step in another reacted with the benzaldehyde, and it follows some interstate. After that, final state is the deprotonation. Hydrolysis are occurring first step. First step is under the influence of the base anhydride give the carboanion बनाएगा. Carboanion now attack with the carbonyl carbon of the aldehyde पे attack करेगा. सेकंड स्टेप क्या करेगा, जो फर्स्ट स्टेप की जो यील्ड है, जो इंटरमीडिएट है, उसमें से द एब्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द प्रोटॉन फ्रॉम द एक्टिव मिथाइल ग्रुप ऑफ द इंटरमीडिएट बाय गिवन द बेस एंड सब्सिक्वेंट एलिमिनेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोक्साइल ग्रुप gives unsaturated anhydride. सेकंड स्टेप में हमको अनसैचुरेटेड एनहाइड्राइड मिलेगा. देन स्टेप 3 में जो सेकंड स्टेप की जो प्रोडक्ट है इज नाउ हाइड्रोलाइज करेंगे उसको, एंड फाइनली गिव द अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड एसिड मिल जाएगा हमको. हमारी प्रोडक्ट जो है वो क्या है, अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड एसिड. ओके, नाउ फ्रेंड, stay home, stay healthy.